Not needed.
Paper needed है?
Nothing is needed. Paper is not needed. Paper is for language of chemistry.
Language of chemistry का है?
हाँ. Next chapter. But अभी से पढ़ना शुरू करो. Are we ready? Shall we begin? Yes. ये भी होगा और आपका addition, subtraction और थोड़ा बहुत मैं बताऊंगी Saturday का टेस्ट के बारे में. Thursday को बात करेंगे. अभी आते हैं atomic structure. To understand atomic structure, the first thing that we have to note is the history. Today we know how does an atom look? It has a nucleus. Nucleus पे कौन रहता है बताओ?
Nucleus में वो
Protons और
न्यूट्रॉन
neutrons और बाहर होते हैं क्या? Electrons. So what do you think? So suddenly one day somebody got up and they realized that this is how any element or any atom looks. Did I get a dream? Did anyone get a dream that ऐसा ही दिखता है तो यही मान के चलेंगे हम लोग? No. So what happened is slowly when we discovered a lot of when science started the advancement of science began, many scientists started deliberating. That means they started questioning that there has to be the smallest indivisible particle of every compound and every element. Alright? And that indivisible particle has certain special features. First they discovered it has a negative charge. There is a negative charge present here somewhere. However, the whole atom is neutral. That means negative charge में तो positive charge भी होना पड़ेगा. और नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव चार्ज दोनों जब मिल गए तभी उन लोगों को लगा कि सही है तो फिर तो ये ऐसा ही दिखता होगा एटम. तो फिर then they realized नहीं, when they are adding the weight of electrons and total number of electrons and total number of protons, weight is coming out to be much less than actual weight of the atom. Then they said there has to be some other component also which is neutral, which does not give any charge but only adds to the weight. So neutron has no charge. Proton, it does have weight, but it has mass. Okay? Proton has positive charge and it also has mass. Electrons have negative charge but has no mass. नहीं होता है क्योंकि electrons, सुनो, if we are going for a race, let's say, not a very good example, but still, a person who is very fat will be able to run more or the person who is very slim. Usually, non-athletic people, slimmer people, why? Because their weight is less. ये protons और neutrons तो सोए रहते हैं. कहाँ पे? Nucleus के अंदर. लेकिन electrons are constantly spinning. So think of it like this. Because it's constantly in motion, it is weightless. The reason is different, but you can remember it like this. That electrons have negative charge and no mass. Protons have no mass. Actually नहीं है कि no mass, but their mass is very less as compared to protons and neutrons. Protons has positive charge as well as mass. Neutrons has no charge but it has mass. So let us start.
Neutral charge.
Neutral charge मतलब no charge. No charge. उसका मतलब. So atomic structure, we will study the history of atomic structure, which is basically how did we come to today's idea that this is how an atom looks. So there are different models. So we will go through all the models now in this lesson. So first we will talk about Maharshi Kanad, who is our very Indian origins, from Indian origin, in the year 460 before Christ. मतलब बहुत हजारों लाखों सालों पहले. He was the first person to give an indication that matter consists of indestructible particles. मतलब वो particles को और destroy नहीं कर सकते हैं. He called it what? परमाणु. परमाणु means atom. And Democritus from Greece. मतलब ये सब नाम ज़्यादा याद रखने का जरूरत है. जो याद रखना है I will tell you. Maharshi Kanad from Indian origin and Democritus from Greece, they both had interpretation of an atom. Maharshi Kanad called it Parmanu, Democritus called it atomos, which we call as atom. Okay, they are indestructible, completely indestructible, मतलब उसको और further हम divide नहीं कर सकते।
और इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोटॉन्स को
इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोटॉन्स को further हम लोग divide नहीं कर सकते, atom atom रहेगा, okay? But now we have learned to, now we
to
do.
break the atom, we get electron, proton, and neutron.
But to break the atom, we are actually causing nuclear fission. That means an atom bomb. उसको break करना इतना difficult है, उसको break कर दिया तो bomb बन जाता है. इसीलिए we call it indestructible. Okay? परमाणु does not exist in free state. Rather combine with other परमाणु to form bigger particle called अणु. अणु मतलब कौन? Molecule. मतलब परमाणु I can either stay in free state or not. So Parmanu reacts with another Parmanu and becomes one Anu. Like hydrogen reacts with water, oxygen and becomes what? Two hydrogen react with each other to become hydrogen molecule. So Parmanu became Anu. Understood? And this hydrogen will react with oxygen to give me another new Anu, which is H2O water. Alright? So this was the first discovery of atom, where atom is called as Parmanu or atomos and Anu means molecules.
What is the
हाँ, now ये है femtometer. So सब size जो होता है ना, एक atom का size, एक molecule या atom का size होता है 10 to the power minus 15 meter. मतलब बहुत छोटा. So you don't need to know this. This is just extra information.
What is femtometer?
Femtometer is a way of finding very small values of meter. Meter से बहुत कम. Femtometer. ठीक है? आगे बढ़े? First theory was given by Dalton. Okay? This is called as Dalton's atomic model. मतलब सबसे पहले परमाणु अणु का तो बात हो गया था. उसके बाद then this conversation stopped. Then Dalton was the first scientist who again started researching on this in which year? 1808. What did he do? Let us see. John Dalton proposed that atom is the smallest particle exhibiting all properties of an element that is made out of that atom. मतलब अगर कॉपर का एक ब्लॉक ले लिया, उसका प्रॉपर्टी और एक उसपे एटम का प्रॉपर्टी दोनों सेम टू सेम होंगे कि नहीं? So atom is such an indestructible particle of an element which exhibits all the properties of the element. Yes or no?
yes.
Do you agree to this? Okay. Atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed. Right? Atoms of same elements are alike in every way and atoms of different elements are different in every way. मतलब सोडियम का एटम और कॉपर के एटम में बहुत डिफरेंस होगा कि नहीं? लेकिन सोडियम के सारे एटम एक जैसे होंगे कि नहीं? क्लोरीन के सारे एटम्स एक जैसे होंगे कि नहीं? बट सोडियम और क्लोरीन के एटम्स अलग-अलग होंगे कि नहीं? Yes, you had a question. Next, atoms may or may not participate in chemical reactions. If atoms are alone, they can participate. If atoms have to form molecules, then they participate in molecule form. This is clear? See, pay attention. One oxygen atom, two hydrogen atoms. Oh, yes.
John Dalton's atomic theory states one of the law is that matter can neither be created
Nor be destroyed.
But here it is written that Antoine Lavoisier, a French chemist, proposed the law of conservation of mass.
See, he proposed the law of conservation of mass. He proposed the law of conservation of energy rather. उसको atomic theory में John Dalton. Okay?
So he made it, but
Yeah.
he also
Energy theory में किसी और ने लाया. So we use this theory in different premises and different scenarios. So oxygen, एक एटम ऑक्सीजन का, दो एटम हाइड्रोजन के मिलके क्या बने? एक अणु बना कि नहीं? ये दो परमाणु और तीसरा परमाणु मिलके एक अणु बना कि नहीं? So this is what Dalton said. Dalton said that atoms are the smallest particle of an element. It exhibits all the characteristics of an element and it may or may not participate individually in a chemical reaction. Is this clear? This was the first theory given in 1808. This is called as Dalton's atomic theory. सबसे पहले ये उसने find out. Next, Next we come to discovery of electrons. Now, here is where it starts getting interesting. Now we come to the year 1878. So 1808 से 1878 मतलब 70 years के बाद, 17 years के बाद, after many experiments, William Crookes first discovered electrons. What is the charge of electrons?
Negative.
Negative. How did he find electrons? He found electrons from cathode ray tube. Cathode rays. See, some rays of light, जैसे light का ray होता है, we can see some lights, we can't see certain lights, which are existing in nature, but we can't see them with our eyes. Bats can see them, dolphins can see them, dolphins can, many different ranges are present, but we can't see that light. Dogs can see more light than we do, different kind of lights. They can see in dark, but we can't. So, because they can see perceive different lights. So, in same way, there is a ray called as cathode ray. The cathode ray has negative charge. So, from there he discovered electrons. Let us, how did he discover this electron? Let us see this. He took a tube. This tube is called as a discharge tube. What is it called?
Discharge.
Discharge tube. What does it do is, it has very low air pressure inside. I'll tell you what are the things you have to remember while teaching. It has very low air pressure inside, and in this discharge tube, there is a negative terminal which is called as there is a positive terminal which is called as anode. These are the two things you have to remember. Cathode जो है उधर से निकलता है cathode ray. Cathode अगर negative charge है तो rays का charge क्या होगा? Negative ही होगा कि नहीं? Negative terminal से negative charge निकलेगा. अगर यहाँ से निकलता तो positive charge निकलता. Correct? So he released these cathode rays and he observed these rays. What he did was, he took electric current. He passed electric current of very high voltage. Very high voltage मतलब बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा current. Electric current of very high voltage passed through the discharge tube at very low pressure. What is the pressure? 0.01 mm of Hg. What is the pressure? 0.01 millimeter of Hg. Hg मतलब कौन? Mercury. Correct. Rays are emitted from negative terminal are called as cathode rays. Did you understand the setup? Negative terminal is called as cathode. Positive terminal is called as anode. Pressure inside the tube is very low. How much is the pressure? 0.01 millimeter of Hg. This tube is called as discharge tube. Cathode rays have negative charge. Voltage is very high.
What
Yes.
are the white balls on there?
These are perforations, holes. Okay. Next, what happened? So this is all that he did. Crookes इतना ही किया. अभी आया J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson also made a lot of conclusions. What conclusions did he make? He saw that, देखो, ये हमारा negative terminal cathode, ये हमारा positive terminal anode. यहाँ से जो negative charges जो जा रहे थे, when he kept a positive and negative plate over here, the negative charge started getting attracted to the positive side. Positive side तो जो attract होता है उसका charge क्या होगा? Positive को कौन attract करता है? नेगेटिव को कौन अट्रैक्ट करता है? करता है कि नहीं? सो अगर पॉजिटिव चार्ज की तरफ वो टिल्ट हो रहे हैं, मतलब इसके चार्ज क्या होंगे? नेगेटिव ही होगा. दिस इज द एक्सपेरिमेंट दैट वाज कंडक्टेड बाय J.J. Thomson. व्हाट डिड ही डू? इट वाज ऑब्जर्व दैट व्हेन इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज अप्लाइड लाइक दिस, एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रिक, ये तो है, एक और फील्ड लगा दिया उसने, अप्लाइड, द कैथोड रेज डिफ्लेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द पॉजिटिव साइड ऑफ द. So he concluded that cathode rays contain negatively charged particles. Those particles today we know as electrons. Is this clear? So negatively charged particles present in cathode ray are called as electrons. Next, it was observed. अभी ये electric field आला. Electric field आला तो positive terminal के तरफ tilt हुआ. When he applied magnetic field, मतलब ये जो discharge tube है इसमें magnetic field apply किया. Then also it deflected in such a way that it proved that it is negatively charged. So electric field as well as magnetic field, both fields they deflected, and they deflected in such a manner that it was proven that these charged particles in the cathode ray are negatively charged and they are now called as what? Electrons. Now let us see the properties of my electrons. Okay? Electrons are an integral part of any atom. Any atom we see, electrons are a very important part of that atom or not? Electron के बिना atom ही नहीं बनेगा. ये है मेरे electrons. Correct? They are moving around in spheres.
Now the red and white part are protons.
This is my nucleus. These are protons and neutrons. Okay? Next, its properties independent of the gas used in discharge tube. मतलब discharge tube से कौन सा gas low pressure है, लेकिन उसमें हमारा अर्थ का एटमॉस्फेयर भी हो सकता है या कुछ भी हो सकता है. But whichever gas we use, कैथोड रे से अगर कैथोड रेज निकले वो नेगेटिवली चार्ज्ड ही होगी. So it does not matter what type of gas I have used. What is the mass of electron? Mass of an electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 grams. How much is it?
Hydrogen atom.
हाँ, of hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom का सेम है, हम लोग उसको कंपेयर करते हैं. So हाइड्रोजन एटम का मास होता है 6 point something. I'll tell you 1 second. इसमें हाँ 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams होता है शायद हाइड्रोजन का. तो उसका 1/1837 अगर किया तो मास आता है. You don't have to do all this calculation. You just have to remember mass of electron is how much? 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 grams. What is the weight of what is the mass of electron? 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 gram. What is the charge? Charge is 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. What is the charge?
1.560 into 10.
So इलेक्ट्रॉन का लिखना शुरू करते हैं. इलेक्ट्रॉन का मास कितना है? 9.108. 1 लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. Into 10 to the power minus 28 ग्राम. चार्ज क्या है? -1 पर नेगेटिव चार्ज है कि नहीं? So minus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 capital C. Capital C मतलब कूलम. So these are the properties of electrons. समझा? याद रखना पड़ेगा यार. Next,
चार्ज मतलब प्रेशर.
क्या?
चार्ज मतलब
प्रेशर नहीं, चार्ज मतलब पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव. हाँ, इलेक्ट्रॉन का डिनोशन कैसे करते हैं? देखो, इलेक्ट्रॉन का मास ऑलमोस्ट 0 मानते हैं हम लोग, क्योंकि एक्चुअली इलेक्ट्रॉन का मास इज मच लेसर देन प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन. दैट्स व्हाई वी टेक इट एज 0 एंड चार्ज इज -1. सो दिस इज हाउ वी डिनोट एन इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो व्हाट इज द यूनिट चार्ज ऑफ, मतलब ये इसका चार्ज है. प्रोटॉन का +1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19. ठीक है? सो वी से इट हैज -1 चार्ज, प्रोटॉन हैज +1 चार्ज बिकॉज़ देयर वैल्यू इज सेम. समझा? समझा? पक्का? पक्का?
बुक में दिया है.
हाँ?
बुक में भी दिया है.
हाँ. ओके, नाउ लेट अस कम टू, अभी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होंगे तो प्रोटॉन्स भी होंगे कि नहीं? नेगेटिव चार्ज है तो पॉजिटिव चार्ज भी है. सो नाउ वी केम Goldstein. Who is the scientist? Goldstein. He also took a discharge.
आइंस्टाइन का भाई.
नहीं रे बाबा, Goldstein is not Einstein का भाई. So no, he took another, he did another experiment with a discharge tube. In this discharge tube, he used a perforated cathode. Can you see that? Holes है यहाँ पे. वहाँ पे कैसे ऊपर थे कि नहीं? यहाँ पे पूरा perforated cathode उससे दिया है. In this perforated cathode,